Hello again. The protests in Epping have apparently achieved their purpose, in that the Bell Hotel has now been emptied of illegal immigrants. Good news, right? Well, yes and no. Good news from the point of view of the residents of Epping, certainly. But this development will inevitably cause people to ask a few more questions, such as why are we so quick to find accommodation for foreigners who enter our country illegally, while we drag our feet finding places to live for our own people? There are over 1.25 million people in this country on social housing waiting lists. And yet, at the top of the hat, the government are seemingly able to rehouse illegal immigrants in a five-star hotel with its own swimming pool in a nice part of London, while our own people have to wait for months or even years for an offer of accommodation. Why is that? Why are they doing this? It is so plainly unjust and indeed downright wrong, and yet nobody seems able to get them to answer simple questions about their motives. So, a win for the people of Epping, but bad news for the people living near Canary Wharf. Already plans are afoot for protests there and a picket of the inaptly named Britannia Hotel. If it had been hoped to nip discontent in the bud by simply moving this problem from an Essex town to central London, I don't think that this is going to work.